Today we are going to start with vocabulary. We'll discuss the high frequency word of E. First word is expedite and the other is expedient. Expedite. Expedite means to hasten the action of, and expedient means convenient in obtaining a result. For example of expedite, which mean to hasten the action of. We can expedite the transaction if we tell them it is an emergency. And the example of expedient, which mean convenient in obtaining result, means to drop the case against the minister was politically expedient discussion. Next word is exonerate and the other is exculpate. Exonerate means to declare or to prove blameless, and exculpate means to free from guilt. To free from guilt, for example, though he was innocent, he did not try to exculpate from the crime he was charged with. And exonerate. Exonerate means to declare or prove blameless. For example, hopefully the judge will exonerate you of any wrongdoing. Next words equivocal. Equivocal means doubtful. His equivocal behavior increased the uneasiness. Then is erudite. Erudite. Erudite means learned, or you can say that having a wide knowledge acquired through reading. We have, so for example, he has erudite scholar in philosophy. Next word is eschew. That is to avoid. For example, Gandhiji exhorted people to eschew violence, that is to avoid violence. Next is esoteric. Esoteric means understood by only chosen few, that is confidential. The esoteric language was only known by the selected group. Next word is esoteric. Esoteric means understood only by few people. Then comes evanescent. Evanescent means vanishing quickly. For example, the evanescent mirage could only be seen at a certain angle. Then the other word is exhume. Exhume means to reveal. The scientists exhume the body from the grave to test the body's DNA. Then the new word is epicure. Epicure is a person who has good taste in food and drinking. As an epicure, he visits only to the best restaurant in town. Epicure. Then comes epitome. Epitome means model, typical or ideal example. For example, the student chosen to represent the school was the epitome of dedication and excellence. Encumber. Encumber means to hold back or hinder. For example, his was a life that has always been encumbered with responsibilities. That means encumbered means to hold back. Then comes endemic. Endemic means native to a particular area or constantly present in a particular country or locality. The endemic fauna was at great interest to the anthropologist. Then the other word is innovate. Innovate means to weaken. And then the other word is engender. Engender means to cause, to exist, or to produce. Example with innovate. Innovate means to weaken. For example, the sickness innovated its victim completely. And engender means to produce. The group attempt to engender change to the law. The other new word with E is enigmatic. Enigmatic means baffling. The enigmatic murder puzzled the detective.